So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get Spotify Premium for absolutely free of cost. And I'm not lying, this is the truth, and it works on Android and iPhone as well. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and you have to search here exactly the same thing that I'm searching. So you have to write here Spotify Premium and hit the search button. And when this official Spotify.com website appears up at the top, you have to go to its official website, which says Spotify Premium. And after that, when you will scroll down, here you will get an option, try 3 months for ₹0. You will exactly see an option like this. If you're not seeing this, I'll tell you a solution at the end. So what you have to do is you have to tap on it, try 3 months for ₹0. And next it will ask you for a login, and after that you just have to log in and give your payment details. But do not worry, because your card won't be charged before 3 months. It means you'll have to pay ₹0 for your premium Spotify account for 3 months. So what you'll have to do is, before these 3 months pass out, you have to cancel Spotify Premium subscription at, let's say, 2 months and 28 days. And after that, purchase another trial with ₹0. And after switching to a new account, you can open Spotify again and like all the previous songs that you had liked on the previous account. So that's only the trick. Just buy the trial for 3 months, cancel the free trial before it expires, and purchase a new trial for absolutely free. So that's how you get Spotify Premium for absolutely free. Thank you so much.